Hey everyone, it's Akos here from iTechFlow. Hey everyone, it's Akos here from iTechFlow. Welcome back to my channel. Today we are checking out what could be the smoothest portable CarPlay screen I ever used. The CarpodGo T3 Pro. Now this one's special because it's the only wireless CarPlay display that runs at a full 60 frames per second, which means everything feels buttery smooth, like you are using a native system built in your car. We'll unbox it, set it up right in the car, test the Bluetooth audio, check how bright it gets in direct sunlight, and of course see if it really lives up to that zero lag promise. So let's get into it. So as usual, let's start with the unboxing. Inside the box you get the CarpodGo T3 Pro unit itself, surprisingly slim and lightweight. A few mounting options, a larger suction base and a smaller one, which I personally prefer because it looks cleaner on the dash, a USB-C power cable, and the quick start guide. Now the design, it instantly feels premium. That full lamination display gives it an all-black seamless look. No weird reflections between the layers. It looks like a solid piece of glass. You can definitely tell this isn't your average budget CarPlay screen. Now let's speak about the setup. So this mount is important. Make sure you place it on the dashboard with bottom support. Don't hang it midair. It needs that stability for vibrations and to hold the weight properly. I've gone with the smaller mount here for a cleaner look, and honestly, it's blending nicely with the interior. Once it's powered on, it boots super fast. I just turned on the ignition and within about 12 seconds it connected wirelessly to my iPhone. No cables, no adapters, just wireless CarPlay popping up instantly. And it stays connected every single time when I get in the car. And now the big highlight, that 60 FPS refresh rate. Look at this. Scrolling through menus, maps, even animation, it's so fluid. Most portable CarPlay screens are stuck at 30 FPS and you can actually see the lag when you swipe between apps. Here, it feels native. The touch response is instant, no delay between input and movement. And for anyone who wondering, yes, it supports Android Auto as well, so you cover it on both sides. That 720p HD resolution combined with 700 nits of brightness means it's very visible, even in direct sunlight. I shoot in this mid-daylight and you can clearly see every icon without washing out. And here's what I love, the pure Bluetooth display mode. Instead of routing audio through the unit speaker, it sends sound directly through the car Bluetooth system. So you can keep your steering wheel controls, your volume, and even the built-in car mic. For me, that's game changer. No echo, no delay, just clean audio from your car speakers. Now let's speak about the smart features. It also has auto day and night mode switching, so when the lights outside changes, say you enter a tunnel or drive at night, it smoothly adjusts both brightness and theme. And yes, there's an auto brightness sensor too, so you don't have to keep tweaking it manually. Plus it's magnetic, so if you park somewhere and don't want to leave it visible, you can just pop it off in seconds. So let's wrap it up, guys. After using the CarpodGo T3 Pro for a past week, I can say this is one of the most refined portable CarPlay experience I've ever tested. That 60 FPS display is real deal, Bluetooth audio mode works flawlessly, and the build quality feels top tier with the laminated design and magnetic mount. If you are tired of laggy 30 FPS screens, this might just be your upgrade. I absolutely recommended it. A huge thanks for the company CarpodGo to sending me this product over for review and testing. It's a pleasure to use it and I will use it every day. For you guys, I will leave the links below in the description, both the official site and the Amazon links as well. It was Akos from iTechFlow. Thank you for watching and I'll catch you in the next one.